To save and manage content ideas in Planoly, first visit your multi-channel workspace. From the web dashboard, click on the pencil icon for Create and then select Ideas. From there, you'll be able to create a new idea by clicking the New Idea button at the top. You'll be able to create a new folder, add a text-only note, upload an image or video, or even a sound URL or video URL from TikTok or Instagram. You'll also be able to manage your folders, and you can click into a folder to see ideas for that specific theme. You'll be able to add a specific idea for that folder by clicking on the New Idea button and then selecting your idea type. In this case, I'm adding a TikTok video. I'm going to use this for inspiration for my back to school campaign. Once I'm done adding in the details and notes to refer back to when I'm ready to create, I can select Create Idea. I can then share that idea with a teammate by clicking on the three dots and then selecting Copy Link. Anyone with access to your workspace will be able to see that link when you send it to them. You now know how to use the Planoly Ideas Manager. Get started today with a free 7-day trial.